In this video, I'm going to show you how you can work offline with SOLIDWORKS Connected. Because of its flexible licensing model, SOLIDWORKS Connected allows you to log in and work on any PC that currently has it installed, since your license is tied to your login credentials. For this reason, SOLIDWORKS Connected must always be connected to the internet to grab and release a user's license. However, SOLIDWORKS Connected comes equipped with an offline mode that allows users to take their license and work offline for up to 30 days at a time. In this mode, you will be able to launch SOLIDWORKS Connected from a local shortcut and work on files currently saved or cached on your PC. Then, when you're ready, you can reconnect to the platform and return your license and update files on the cloud. To use this setting, we first want to launch SOLIDWORKS Connected. Once launched and connected, I'm going to check my local cache to see if I have the file I want to work on saved before going offline. Just to be sure, I'm going to search for it and open the latest revision from the platform. Double check to make sure all of the parts within your assemblies are the version you want to work with. In this case, I want to update all of these to the latest revision. Once updated, make sure to lock these files in the My Session panel before closing the document. This way, no one can save changes to them while you are working on them offline. When saving parts from the cloud, you're actually downloading and saving the file to work locally on your PC. So you should see it now updated in your local cache. Click the refresh button at the top to confirm. Now, close all documents as you cannot have anything open when you take your license offline. In the top right-hand portion of your SOLIDWORKS window, you will see your user initials. Click this to open a drop-down and select the option Work Offline. In the pop-up window, you will see an explanation of how to work offline, as well as instructions to create a desktop shortcut and to lock and download any files from the cloud before going offline. At the bottom, you will see a section to input how many days you plan to work offline for. After that amount of time you put in the box, SOLIDWORKS will automatically attempt to reconnect to the platform and will not function properly until you do so. You can manually choose to reconnect to the platform at any time, so make sure to plan accordingly. A second dialog will appear to prompt you to open and move any other native apps into the offline mode should you need to use them. Since I do not need any others than SOLIDWORKS, I will select to work offline without other apps. You'll see a notification at the top of the screen stating you are working in the offline mode. From here, we will go into our local cache and open the file that we previously downloaded and locked. Any changes you make to the part or assemblies will be saved to the files in the local cache until you reconnect to the platform. Once you're ready to go back online, make sure all files are closed in SOLIDWORKS and click the Work Offline symbol in the top right. A dialog will ask if you'd like to reconnect to the platform. I'm going to select Yes, and then wait for the My Session pane to load and my collaborative spaces to show that I'm reconnected. Note, make sure that once you are reconnected, you are working within the collaborative space you want to be in. Now I have reopened the file I was working on from my cache, and I'm ready to update the version on the cloud. Once opened, you'll see the platform recognizes these files. It sees that I have them locked, and it's prompting me to save the modified files to the cloud. I'm going to save all of the files within this assembly by right-clicking on the upper-level assembly and selecting Save with Options. Here, it will tell me which files have been modified, their revisions, and bookmark locations. Once all is good, I will click Save. Now, after showing how to save and work with files offline in SOLIDWORKS Connected, I have reconnected and updated the files on the 3DX platform.